Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Training video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you download and install iOS 18.1 beta 4 in your iPhone or iPad. So simply guys, if you want to get latest iOS 18.1 beta 4, so what you have to do? You may guess, first of all, you may make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, you may click here on General and click on Software Update, and here is the option of beta updates. So you may click here and you may turn on iOS 18 developer beta. Then you may go back and you may see all beta updates here, and you can download and install it from here. So if that beta updates are not showing here, then you may go back and you may open any browser, and in search bar you may write here beta profiles.dev. So click here guys, and you may open this. Then you may scroll it down, and here you will see that here is the option of developer beta. So you may click here on developer beta. So this option will be shown here. Click on developer, and here is the option of iOS 18. So here is the option of iOS 18 beta profile. So you may check there's the option of iOS 18.1 beta 4, and click on install profile and install profile from here. Then you may open settings again, and that profile will be shown here. So you may install that profile from here and restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed by all these methods, also then guys, you may go back and you may open your app store, and from here guys, you may download Apple developer app. Then you may go back and you may open that app, and you may log in with your Apple ID. So click here, click on sign in, and you may log in with your Apple ID from here. Then guys, you may enroll your device for beta updates, and then guys, you can get your beta updates easily in your iPhone or iPad. So by all these methods guys, you can download iOS 18.1 beta 4 easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.